Hello everyone. Today in this video we shall learn a basic difference between the inductive effect and electromeric effect. So we have discussed the inductive effect and electromeric effect. If you have not watched my video, you can please check, then only you will be more clear on this inductive effect and electromeric effect. So if you are a beginner of organic chemistry, it is very important that you have to know inductive effect and the electromeric effect. This is a very basic concept. So the main difference between the inductive effect and electromeric effect is, as we have discussed in inductive effect, it is a permanent effect, whereas electromeric effect is a temporary effect. Inductive effect, the presence of multiple bond is not essential. It can form any single bond, double bond, triple bond, right? But in electromeric effect, it takes place only in the presence of multiple bond, because the complete sharing of electrons takes place in the electromeric effect, whereas in the inductive effect only the partial movement of electrons, due to which the polarity is developed in the inductive effect, right? So polarity of bond is formed in the inductive effect, whereas polarity of bond is not present in electromeric effect, because complete transfer of electron takes place, right? So the 4 points of inductive effect is partial charge separations takes place, partially positive and partially negative, whereas electromeric effect complete transfer of charges takes place, due to which plus and negative is formed, plus ion and negative ion is formed, whereas in inductive effect no ion is formed, in electromeric effect ion is formed. Attack reagent is not essential in inductive effect, whereas in electromeric effect attack of reagent is essential, because if the reagent is not present, then it will return to the original compound. So it can be plus or negative reagents can be present in order to undertake the electromeric effect. And another point is displacement of electrons do not leave their molecular orbitals. However, distortion of electron position cloud takes place in inductive effect, right? Whereas in the electromeric effect, the displaced electron leave their orbitals and attain a new position. Complete transfer of movement of electrons from one atom to another and placed in the new position, right? Example, suppose if you have a C double bond C and this O is present, so due to more electronegativities, as we've discussed in the acetone, the electron will move toward the oxygen and more electronegative, right? So last point is, in inductive effect, it involves more displacement of electrons, whereas in electromeric effect, it involves complete transfer of pi electron. This takes place. So these are the basic concept. You can check right on if you want. So this is all about the difference between the inductive effect and electromeric effect. Thank you for watching.